Good morning, students. I hope you are doing your homework and watching the videos regularly. So, we are doing Why Do We Fall Ill? In that last class, we have studied about the organ specific and tissue specific manifestation, in which we have studied about the portal related organ and tissue specificity and non portal organ and tissue specificity. Portal related organ or the tissue specificity means the point of entry from where the organism enters the body and affect the body part. So last class we have studied that the body part which is being affected depends on the point of entry. If the microbe entered through the nose, it will go to the lungs, and it will definitely create the problem, or we can say that there will be the lungs related problem, or the patient will have the sneezing, cough, or symptoms related to the respiratory disorder. So today we will study about the signs and symptoms. The sign and symptom of a disease depend upon the tissue or organ which the microbe targets. So wherever the microbe target the body part, or the body part which is being targeted by the microbe, the sign will be shown to that part only. For example, if the brain is the target organ, so we will observe the severe headache, vomiting, or unconsciousness. Next is that example, if lungs are targeted, then the symptom will be cough or breathlessness. If the liver is targeted, then there will be jaundice. If the lymph nodes are targeted, the lymphocytes production may go down. If alimentary canal is targeted by the worms, loss of appetite. Appetite means not feeling well, or not feeling to eat the food, and abdominal pain may take place. So these are the signs and the symptoms, or the thing you have to remember, that the target organ. So wherever the microbes target the organ, the symptoms will be related to that organ only. Next is the severity of the disease. So severity of the disease will depend upon the number of microbes entered inside the body. If the number is small, the disease manifestation would be minor or unnoticed. Means if very small number of microbes enter inside the body, then a very means minor symptom will be shown, or sometime it will be unnoticed also. Now, next is the common effect. The microbes are prevented from entering the body by intact skin. Means whenever the microbe enter the body, they may get prevented from entry. First of all, by the intact skin, then the hair or the mucus in the nose, then sweat, also prevent tear and HCl in stomach. So these are the parts from which means prevent the entry of the microbe inside our body. But if then also if microbe are able to enter in the body, they may killed by the WBC. When means after this much of the prevention, then also if the microbe entered inside the body, then they may be killed by the WBC, that is the white blood cell. However, some microbe escape and enter the body cell. So when they escape and enter the body cell, they start releasing certain toxic substances to kill the cell. The damaged cell release histamine, which causes inflammation. So this damaged cell releases some chemical which causes the inflammation. Now, what is inflammation? Inflammation is the requirement process which activate the immune system and their antibodies appear in the region. So, this is the recruitment process. Inflammation is the recruitment process which activate our immune system and their antibodies to appear in the region. So, what happened when this appear in the region? The swelling may appear there, and that is known as the inflammation. But in HIV infection, that is the in the case of the AIDS, this immune system is damaged, so the person cannot fight even with the microbes of the cold, cough, diarrhea, etc. So that's all for the today, children. I hope you must have understood. Write down the homework to write the question, that you have to write the sign and symptom, the target organ, and the symptoms caused by the microbe when they target the brain, lungs, liver, or the alimentary canal. Thank you.